The United Kingdom, a land of rich history and vibrant culture, beckons travellers from around the globe. From the bustling streets of London to the serene countryside, the UK offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern attractions. For many in India, the UK holds a special allure, offering opportunities to reunite with loved ones, explore iconic landmarks, and experience the warmth of British hospitality. Imagine sipping afternoon tea in a quaint English cafe or chatting with friendly locals at a bustling market. Whether you're planning a heartwarming family reunion, a journey through time at ancient castles, or a deep dive into the rich tapestry of British history, or a taste of London's bustling energy with its iconic double-decker buses and vibrant street life, a UK visit promises unforgettable memories. Capture moments in front of Big Ben or enjoy a scenic view of the Thames River. However, before you pack your bags and book your flight, navigating the visa application process is crucial. It's essential to understand the requirements and gather all necessary documents. Obtaining a UK Standard Visitor Visa, commonly referred to as a tourist or family visit visa, requires careful planning and attention to detail. This visa allows you to visit for leisure, family visits, or even short business trips. This guide will provide a step-by-step roadmap to help you successfully apply for your UK visa from India. We'll demystify the process, highlight crucial requirements, and offer valuable tips to increase your chances of a smooth and successful application. From filling out forms to preparing for your visa interview, we've got you covered. Let's embark on this journey together and turn your UK travel dreams into reality. With the right preparation, your adventure awaits. Your quest for a UK visa begins online. The entire application process is conducted through the official UK Visas and Immigration website. Don't be daunted by the official website. It's designed to be user-friendly. First, you'll need to create an account. This account will be your portal throughout the entire process, allowing you to save your progress, upload documents, and track your application status. Next, you'll select the Standard Visitor Visa application form. This visa category covers both tourist visits and family visits. The application form is comprehensive, requiring detailed information about your travel plans, financial situation, and personal background. Be sure to answer all questions honestly and accurately. Supporting documents are the backbone of your UK visa application. They are essential in providing the necessary proof to back up the information you have included in your application form. They provide the UK visas and immigration authorities with tangible evidence to verify the information you've provided. Without these documents, your application may be delayed or even rejected. Gathering these documents meticulously is crucial for a successful application. Ensuring that each document is accurate and up to date can make a significant difference in the processing time and outcome of your visa application. Here's a checklist of essential documents you will need to prepare for your UK visa application. A valid passport, which must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in the UK. Make sure your passport has enough blank pages for visa stamps. 2 recent passport-sized photographs that meet the UK visa photo specifications. These photos should be clear, with a plain background and taken within the last 6 months. Pay the visa application fee online and print the payment confirmation. This receipt is a crucial part of your application package. Include confirmed flight bookings and accommodation reservations. These documents help demonstrate your travel plans and assure the authorities of your intentions. Bank statements for the past 6 months demonstrating sufficient funds to cover your trip. This financial proof is necessary to show that you can support yourself during your stay. If employed, a letter from your employer confirming your position, salary, and leave approval. This letter should be on company letterhead and signed by an authorized person. If you're a student, provide proof of enrollment and leave of absence. This can include a letter from your educational institution confirming your status and permission to travel. For family visits, a letter of invitation from your UK-based host is essential. This letter should include details about your relationship and the purpose of your visit. Remember, this is a general checklist. Additional documents may be required based on your circumstances. Always double-check the specific requirements for your visa category. It's always recommended to review the specific document requirements on the UK Visas and Immigration website for your visa category. This ensures you have the most up-to-date information and can avoid any last-minute surprises. Financial stability is a key factor in UK visa decisions. You must demonstrate that you can support yourself financially throughout your stay in the UK without relying on public funds. Bank statements are the primary means of proving your financial capacity. Your bank statements should reflect regular income and sufficient balance to cover your travel expenses, including flights, accommodation, food, transportation, and any planned activities. While there's no fixed minimum balance requirement, a healthy balance that aligns with your travel plans is recommended. If you're receiving financial support from a sponsor, such as a family member or friend in the UK, they'll need to provide their financial documents as well. These documents may include their bank statements, employment letter, and a letter of sponsorship confirming their willingness to support you financially during your stay. Section 5. The clock is ticking. Ideal trip duration. The duration of your intended stay in the UK plays a significant role in the visa decision-making process. While the standard visitor visa allows for a maximum stay of 6 months, shorter, well-defined trips are generally viewed more favourably. For tourist visits, a trip duration of 2 to 3 weeks is often ideal. This time frame allows ample time to explore key attractions without raising concerns about overstaying your visa. Family visits might warrant a slightly longer duration, especially if you're traveling long distances to reunite with loved ones. However, it's essential to provide a clear itinerary outlining your planned activities and the purpose of your visit. Section 6. Patience is a virtue. Visa processing time. Once you've submitted your UK visa application and supporting documents, the waiting game begins. Visa processing times can vary depending on factors such as the volume of applications, the complexity of your case, and the efficiency of the visa processing center. On average, you can expect a processing time of around 15 working days. However, it's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel dates, ideally at least 3 months prior. During peak travel seasons or in cases requiring additional administrative processing times may be extended. You can track the status of your application online through your account on the UK Visas and Immigration website. Section 7. Facing the music attending your visa interview. As part of the UK visa application process, you'll be required to attend an interview at a visa application centre in India. This interview is an opportunity for visa officers to assess your genuineness as a visitor and verify the information you've provided in your application. During the interview, you'll be asked questions about your travel plans, financial situation, ties to India, and the purpose of your visit to the UK. It's crucial to answer all questions honestly, confidently, and to the best of your ability. Be prepared to elaborate on the information you've provided in your application and provide any supporting documents requested by the visa officer. There's Section 8, Decision Time. What happens after the interview? After your visa interview, the UK Visas and Immigration authorities will review your application and supporting documents. A decision on your visa application will be made based on the information you've provided and the assessment of the visa officer. If your visa application is successful, your passport will be returned to you with the UK visa stamped inside. The visa will specify the duration of your stay and any conditions attached to your visit. In the unfortunate event of a visa refusal, you'll receive a refusal notice outlining the reasons for the decision. You have the right to appeal the decision within a specified timeframe. However, it's essential to carefully review the refusal notice and seek professional advice if needed. Section 9. Your UK adventure awaits. Tips for a smooth journey. Congratulations, your UK visa has been approved and your UK adventure awaits. This is the beginning of an exciting journey filled with new experiences and memories to be made. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey, here are some final tips. Carry essential documents. Make sure you have your passport, visa, and travel insurance ready and in a safe place. Keep your passport, visa, travel insurance, and other important documents easily accessible throughout your trip. It's always a good idea to have copies of these documents as well, just in case. Inform your bank about your travel dates to avoid any issues with using your debit or credit cards abroad. Pack appropriately. Make sure to bring clothes suitable for various weather conditions. The UK's weather can be unpredictable, so pack layers of clothing and be prepared for rain. A raincoat and umbrella can be lifesavers. Respect local customs. Familiarize yourself with basic British etiquette and customs to avoid any cultural faux pas. Understanding local manners will help you blend in and enjoy your trip more. With careful planning and preparation, your UK trip will be an experience to cherish. Plan your itinerary, but also leave room for spontaneous adventures. Embrace the opportunity to create lasting memories with loved ones, immerse yourself in British culture, and explore the wonders of this fascinating country. Safe travels, enjoy every moment, and make the most of your UK adventure.